Well, the good news, the storm has passed last night, and luckily I didn't got hit or anything by tornadoes, but everything's okay. So we're gonna make sure the trimmers and the saws are definitely fine after they sit underneath the porch. So let's check on them, making sure that they're okay after they've been underneath the porch after a storm. Runs perfect. Now let's try the 4-stroke, the FS110. Still runs good. Now let's try the Husky 455. Runs perfectly fine. Now for the Farm Boss MS 290, 291. And now for the BG50 blower. Well, at least they still work. That's a good sign. Hang on a second. They still work. It won't be long till this one will be converted into a brush cutter with no guard. When I had another one, same motor as an R version, the FS90R, just like that one, but a little different because that one's got a throttle lock on it and the manual choke. Will it restart? Let's find out. First pull. Just like a normal size hair dryer. Will the others restart? Let's find out. They started up good. One of my favorites. Brush cutter. one start up real easy. The only trimmer I'm going to be using all the time is the FS90R and the FS94. The 94, that one's going to be converted into a brush cutter with blade with bicycle handles on it. The other one will take its place as a trimmer with this one. Well, at least they all work. After yesterday's storm, I was definitely looking forward for this dead tree to come down on its own. I was definitely really looking forward to it. But I'm gonna give me an excavator where I could definitely push it down. Anyways, at least the chainsaws and the weeders and blowers work. That's why I have a chainsaw. Just in case if any tree falls down, I gotta make sure I have them ready. Anyways, that's enough for today. Always like and subscribe and leave a comment, and thank y'all for watching.